let's talk a little bit about the version of Node that we just installed. The Node team always gives us two main versions or variants of the Node runtime that we can download and run from the official Node page. The Node developers always maintain a latest current version of Node, as well as a latest long-term support version of Node, or an LTS version. So why do we need this LTS version? Isn't it always better to have the very latest version of Node with the latest features, bug fixes, and performance increases? Well, the truth is, oftentimes new features introduce new bugs and other changes that can break our existing code. The stability of long-term support allows developers time to create stable versions of their code when necessary, such as for production software, where an update to Node that breaks your code could cost you or the company where you work significant time and money. If we go to the About tab on the Node.js site, under Releases, we can find a chart of the scheduled Node releases. This is the plan, the development cycle for every version of Node going forward into the future. It's updated as new versions of Node are released. All of the even-numbered versions of Node currently are or will eventually become an LTS version, while odd-numbered versions will only ever be current versions. They'll never have those extra stability guarantees that LTS versions give us. So what guarantees do LTS versions give us? Well, each LTS version is separated into an active phase and a maintenance phase. When active, most changes are accepted, as long as they don't break existing code. Later, when an LTS version gets promoted to maintenance, only important bug fixes and security updates will make it into updates for that version. And if you're more okay with issues and just want the latest, greatest features, the latest current version should be okay for you. Just a little tip on how I decide which version to use. If I know I'll be deploying an application to production within a few weeks or months, I'll go with the even-numbered LTS versions. This gives me extra confidence that my code won't break when I update my Node runtime to get the latest security updates and bug fixes. On the other hand, if I'm writing code that won't be deployed to production for, say, a year, by which time I know that there's going to be a new LTS version released, I'll often go with the current latest version of Node so that when I do update to the LTS version, once it's released, that upgrade will go a little bit smoother. It'll be a little bit easier because there have been fewer changes between the current version and the new active LTS version. That's about it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.